Triceratops?
Yeah, with 2 horns.
Whoa.
Yeah, so they can fight together.
They can?
Yeah.
What else did you get?
What else did you get?
This potato head.
Let's see.
Potato head.
Wow, is that a bunny?
No, yeah.
A bunny potato head, huh? What else you had in your basket?
What else you got in your basket? No, your other basket.
Your other ones.
Your blue basket.
I don't know what's this.
Let's see.
A Doodle Pro.
It's a Doodle Pro. You draw on it. You get a draw on that. What else you get?
These.
What is that?
Dinosaur stickers.
You get dinosaur stickers.
Yeah.
Owen.
And
You got a book. What's that book say?
That's more for your daddy.
Walt Disney World with your family.
Cool.
What else you get?
This.
What's that?
I don't know.
It's dinosaur stickers. Open it. Dinosaur stickers.
Is that Minnie?
How'd the Easter Bunny know you like dinosaurs? Pretty smart, huh?
I don't know.
Okay, you want to go look for the eggs now?
No.
No?
No.
I don't know.